Hello everyone, this is Jack, of course. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go and learn some English here. Beside this wood, we can call that a wood. There are some trees in this wood. Some trees are evergreen ones. Look ahead. They're evergreen. Their leaves are green even in winter time. Those trees are not evergreen ones. They don't have any green leaves in winter time. Do you like this tree? This tree is pretty small. The bark is not very rough. It's a nice one. It does not have any leaves at all, since it's the winter time right now. And we look ahead, there's a small stream. Let's go and check the stream. Look over there. There's a highway. The highway is pretty long. Elevated highway. What about the stream? The water isn't dirty at all. It's very nice. Look around here, it's beautiful. Do you like this place? If you are into this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much. Bye bye everyone.